Hello guys, my name is Raihandito Khasman. I'm a third year and I'm from 12 Social 1 at SMANSA JBI, and today I will show you how to make a mask from natural things. This video is made for my English examination job. So stay tuned to this video and like the video.
Okay, and now let's check what all we need for make the mask. And you can find the things is so easily. You can find it anywhere, at any store, at any mart. You can find it anywhere. Okay, and the price is so cheap. So just see this and buy the things. First, we need honey. You can use pure or real honey, the plain one, and the natural one. You can use madu teje or madu rasa or any honey. And later, we need yogurt. I'm using BioCool. This yogurt a little expensive and you can find it at any store. And if you don't want to use yogurt, you can use ultra milk, the plain milk, or you can use Indo milk or bear blend and other things. Please eat a plain milk for a yogurt alternative. And then we need oatmeal. I recommend you to blend the oatmeal first before you apply it to your mask, okay? So the texture will be like this, like a powder. See? You blend it first. And then we need water. Water is for mix the oatmeal and another things. And then we need these two things, a bowl and a fork or a spoon to mix. Okay, that's all the things we need. It's so cheap, so just buy it and make this mask after you check this video. Okay, and then let's make it. Okay, now let's make it. First, put the oatmeal to the bowl. I think you need 3 tablespoons of oatmeal and add it to your bowl. And then let's use honey. I think you can use 3 or 2 tablespoons of honey, but it's just compare it to your mixing, and I think it's enough. And the last thing is the yogurt. Now we open the yogurt and let's make it. Okay, I already opened the yogurt. Now add this to the mixing bowl. I think not 3. I think 2 or 3 tablespoons. And then you add a little of water. But if you're using milk, you don't need to use the water. Okay. Just a little. Okay, now we already make all the things we need, and just mix. After you mix it, now the texture will be like porridge, so you can apply it to your face, cover the face. But before you apply the mask to your face, you must to clean your face first before you apply it. You can use water or soap or anything, but just clean your face, okay? And I gonna clean my face first, and then I applying the mask and cover all my face except the eyes and the nose, and the mouth. Okay, so see you again. Okay, I already covered my face with the mask. You can apply the mask to your face and covering it except your eyes with brush or with spoon or with your bare hands, or even you can use paintbrush. Okay, and then just need to wait for 15 minutes and let the mask is dry. And now let's eating. Now my face is already dry, the mask is already dry, and the next step we're gonna do is to clean the face with clean water. So I'm gonna wash my face and clean my face with water, and I will be right back to this video. So okay, now I already clean my face, and look at my face. Look, my skin is so bright and so fair. I wanna wipe the water out of my face. And okay, that's all for my video. If you like this video, just click the like button and the subscribe button, and comment at comment section. And special thanks for my teacher, Ma'am Dewi, as my English teacher, and Bu Nirmala as my PKW teacher. So if you wanna see my friends' video, just see another video at this channel, and I hope we will meet again someday in the future. See you again. Goodbye.
目を閉じたらふとよぎる歌があって心はどんな時でもあの頃へ戻れるとつぶやいていて同じようで違う太陽遠く離れて気がついたこと今さら
Chip, okay? First we need madu. Madu anjing. And this mask is make your skin and your you can pantun belum. So banyak